Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today's lesson is about number 16. First of all, I will tell you what are the expected learning outcomes. Expected learning outcomes are the student is expected to count, identify, and trace numbers up to 16. Next, order and sequence. Order and sequence numbers to 16. So you will visualize cards, flashcards 1 to number 16. Ask about different numbers after visualizing them. After that, we will count these eggs. After counting the eggs, you will show different cards of pictures of animals, fruits, vegetables. So, let's count how to count these eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Which number is this? Number 16. Tell me again, which number is this? 16. And 16 eggs settle softly on the shelf. Now, gently place your hands on an imaginary shelf, pretending the eggs are settling down. Look over here, like this. After that, count the pencils, erasers, sharpener, crayon colors. The chairs are in the class, students, boys and girls. Now, we will teach how to trace number 6. They already know about number 1, number 6. Start from the dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. Start from the dot, go down and round. Down and round. It will make number 6. 10 and 6, 16. 10 and 6, 16. So, I hope so you enjoyed a lot and you will teach very well in the class lecture about number 16. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.